Another episode of Tool Time, but this time, this one is inspired by Barbados Vocational Training Board and Samuel Jackman Prescott Institute. Just stay tuned and I'll show you the kits that I have available for all you students going back to school next semester. And why Automotive Art, you ask? The reason why you should come down is our range. We have a wide range of tools and we have them at very, very affordable pricing. So whatever your budget is like, crop over is now over. So now you have to prepare for school. Come on down to Automotive Art and see what I have to offer. Like this one, for instance. You could come and get a toolkit like this, which has a little bit of everything. And the best thing about this is you can actually shut it and it locks. And they have about 3 different options that you can actually keep for yourself that has a padlock or it has a key, and you can keep your investment safe. Or if you're telling yourself, you know what, I cannot afford that so far, let's get something smaller. Build your way up. You don't have to, Rome was not built in a day, so you don't have to force yourself to get everything the same time. So start with one of our more affordable toolkits and you can get yourself prepared for next semester, whether you're going to SJPI or Vocational Training Board. So now that I've piqued your interest, why not go to our socials so you can get more information? Or you could just call Automotive Art, ask for me personally. My name is Victor Williams and I have all the information there for you. This has been another episode of Tool Time. Thanks for listening and I look forward to hearing your call.